are you today? Would you like to hear a story? I bet you would. I definitely feel like reading one. So, let's go. Have you seen this book before? It's really, really good. It's called Don't Push the Button, and it's written by Bill Cotter. Now, there are always clues on the front cover of a book about what's going on inside. So let's take a look at the cover before we read this story. Now it says don't push the button. That tells us what the book is called. What's going on right here? What's this? Looks like a big purple monster, maybe? Oh, I bet there's a purple monster in this story. And what about this right here? Maybe that's the button that the book is going to be about. Now let's take a look at the back, too. It says, there's only one rule in Larry's book. Don't push the button. Maybe this is Larry. Let's find out. To my mom and dad for always encouraging me, even when I was pushing their buttons. I wonder if you're pushing your mom and dad's buttons. Hi, my name's Larry. Welcome to my book. Let's give Larry a wave. There's only one rule. Don't push the button. Oh, look at that button. Seriously, don't even think about it. Button's looking pretty good. It does look pretty nice, though. I wonder what would happen if we pushed it. What do you think would happen if we pushed it? No, we can't. We mustn't. Oh, Larry really wants to push it. Psst. No one's looking. You should give that button just one little push. Ready? Ah! I turned yellow. Push it again. Don't really touch your screen though. Just pretend to push it. Push, push, push. Eek! Now I'm yellow and polka dot. Oh, push it twice. There's that button. Ah! Now there's two of me. You better push it a bunch of times. Push, 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 push. Uh-oh. Look at all those Larrys. This button is powerful. Oh, shake the book to get rid of all those extra Larrys. Shake, 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 shake. Let's see if it worked. Almost. A little more. Shake, 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 shake. I can't wait to find out. Oh, okay. There we go. Now it says here to scratch Larry's tummy to get him back to normal. So you've pushed the button. He's reading a manual. Let's see, Larry, let's give you a scratch. Tickles. Okay, much better. Let's not push that button again. Do you think Larry should push the button again? but that was kind of fun. Maybe just a couple more times. Let's push it. The end. Larry made himself a bunch of friends that looked just like him. What a silly story. Thanks for reading it with me. See you next time.